BackWoods lures, guys. Let's go. BackWoods. Alright guys, we made it down to the new lake. We see them jumping out there already, so we know we're gonna have a good day. Today we're fishing. We ran into a buddy of ours. Where are they at here? Let's see. Alright. We ran into our buddy Kyle down at the applefest, guys. He gave us a bunch of these lures to try out today. So we're gonna try some of these lures out here. BackWoods, guys. Grand Junction's special lures. These are some awesome lures, guys. Kyle Shaw, if you guys haven't checked him out yet, give him a like, check him out. There's his name. Give him a check, guys. These are awesome lures. They catch just about anything up here on the Grand Mesa and in Colorado up here. Bass, trout, walleye, pike. He's got them all, guys. So go and check him out, and we'll show you how good they work here in just a second. There. Right there, guys. BackWoods. All day. Yeah. Yeah. Got him. Got him. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Nice tiger, guys. Beautiful tiger here. Oh yeah. Beautiful tiger. Beautiful tiger, guys. Heck yeah. Check this guy out. Dang, he's pretty. This tiger, guys. Pretty tiger. Absolutely pretty tiger. Heck yeah. Beautiful fish. Beautiful fish. rainbow. Nice rainbow. Put it there. There it is. Alright guys, we didn't get this guy on camera. Well, we got us a nice little rainbow here. Oop. He's gonna give us a little whirl for a minute. Oh, I'm getting him. Nice colored up. Oh. Guys, we're just wrapping the day up. We had a really good day out here fishing with some backwoods lures today, guys. Thanks to Kyle for donating some lures to me and letting me try some out, man. We definitely caught some fish, had some good rainbows, and a really pretty tiger trout, so I couldn't ask for a better day. Out here fishing on the kayak, and for all you guys watching and following still, thanks for following. Subscribe and like if you guys like the channel, and we'll hopefully be with you guys on the next one. See you guys soon.